So now we have the Tactilus set up here. This will be the software. We're going to open up the software. This will be the hub. The sensor, a 32 by 32 line matrix, and the roller. Now back to the software. We're going to open up a new project. Once it's done, we click record, and it's reading raw values not yet calibrated, as you can see here. Back to the roller, put it in the sensor in the roll. Now I'll adjust it here, then you'll see the change in the screen. As you can see, you get a clear image of the pressure distribution even while moving. At the bottom you can see pressure versus time, as well as contact area versus time, in a 3D image which could be played with. That's the Tactilus system.